Hi everyone, Hedy here. How you doing? Today what I'm going to be making for you is pasta primavera. It's a simple dish, a vegetarian dish for those of you who don't eat meat. I'm salting my water. You have to salt the water. So what I have here is I put some olive oil in the pan and I heated up the oil. And I have some garlic. I use 3 cloves of garlic. About a small onion or a half of a medium. Some people like to, when they make primavera, like to put everything in put it all in together. I feel like when you saute the garlic and the onions, it brings out most of the flavor. So that's what I like to do. Well, I'll saute this around, and what I have here is about a half a pound of mushrooms, 1 red pepper, 1 large carrot, some cherry tomatoes halved, 1 green zucchini, 1 yellow zucchini, a half a stick of butter, and a chunk of cheese from the Locatelli Romano that I like to put in there so it gets the flavor really absorbed, and about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of
grated cheese.
Grated cheese, but it's Reggiano. Pecorino Romano. I couldn't get the name.
There it is, yeah.
And I have the water boiling here for the pasta, which I just salted. So now I'm going to saute all of this together. It smells so good. I don't have any wine today. I just have a little of my, when you're feeling down liquor, it's some, a little bit of vodka because it's less calories than the wine. Wine has a lot of, I don't know what they call it, tannins or whatever, I'm not sure. But anyway, I love my wine, don't get me wrong, but I like a little bit of drink here and there. And I also have a half a cup of chicken stock. Okay, so this is, I'm sauteing. It smells so good. So now I'm going to put all my vegetables in. You don't have to put mushrooms in if you don't want. You could put in any combination of vegetables that you like. These are the vegetables that I like. 1 pepper, julienned or whatever you call it. I cut them up thin. 1 large carrot or 2 medium carrots. One green zucchini, 1 yellow zucchini, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is great for you vegetarians, which my niece Maria is a vegetarian. Actually, she's not a vegetarian. She's a vegan. I never knew there was a difference. But when we were growing up, my mother made us eat all kinds of vegetables. And if we didn't like it, we didn't have dinner that night. Okay, so I'm going to put in a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon. I never over salt because I feel you can add it, but you can't take it away. And here's my cup of chicken broth. And this is a chunk of Locatelli Pecorino Romano. I like to put it in here so we get the flavor. So what I'm gonna do is, and this is little cherry tomatoes, which I've cut in half. Ah, this is so delicious. What I'm gonna do is put the cover on and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And I'll be back when it's ready. Okay, so the water came to a boil. I'm gonna put the pasta in. I've already salted it. And the vegetables are doing very well. What I'm gonna do is add a half a stick of butter and some grated Pecorino Romano. Now, as far as the cheese is concerned, you could add more, or if you want less. And like I said before, you could add whatever vegetables you like. So this is gonna cook another 5 to 7 minutes, and when the pasta's ready, I'm gonna add it to my dish. But this is enough for like 4 people. So I'm just gonna take out the portion that I need. But this will feed 4, and you could use a pound of pasta. I only used a little bit of pasta because it's only me. Oh, that's delicious. The butter is melting. There it is. And that's, oh, it's delicious. And then if you don't have enough liquid, you can add some pasta water. But I think this is pretty much pretty good, as a matter of fact. It smells divine. It's almost done. When the pasta's done, this will be done. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so the vegetables have been cooking like 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on how you like them. This is perfect for me. And the pasta, you don't need to strain them. Just if you have a little pasta water, it's fine. I cook my pasta 7 to 8 minutes, no more than that. I like it a little bit toothy. That's what they call it, toothy. But if you like them softer, cook them longer. I'm going to, delicious. Okay, so that's the pasta. I'm gonna take the vegetables. As I said, this is good for like 4 people. Delicious. And some more cheese. This is my dinner tonight. Is that not a delicious looking dish?
I think she thinks it's delicious.
Okay, until the next time, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. And I'll see you next time.